talk language, specifically things like spell check in my document? Well, it's a pretty standard thing that so many of our computer programs come from or are based in the US, which means that the default language used is American English or English brackets United States. If the accent hasn't already given it away, you probably guessed I'm actually British. And with my documents, that's the language that I want the spell check to be in. How do I do that in terms of Google Docs? Well, you'll see that I've already typed in two words that are quite popular and well known as being different within the two English languages, and you can see that because it's set up as English United States, they're both underlined in red saying that there is a spell check. Now, I can promise you they're not really a spell check, so let's change that. Let's fix that to be, well, for me, the right language. Here under the file menu, I simply scroll down to language, and you can see there it's ticked English United States. No good for me. Let's choose the one above it, English United Kingdom, and fingers crossed, yes, my underlining, my spelling mistakes have now disappeared because they are correct for my language. And it's really as simple as that. You can see if I'll go back in just to give you an idea that English is not the only option. There are quite a lot. They're listed alphabetically. I will scroll slightly slowly to give you a chance to actually see the sheer choice of languages, which is quite a lot, and you can just choose whichever one you need, bearing in mind that these languages, there's a good chance it's not going to be 100% correct unless you already know the language. But certainly in terms of things like your spell check, this is going to make life a lot easier to make sure that you're spelling correctly for your given country. Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm your tech trainer, helping you to save time and frustration with your everyday tech by giving you short ways, fast ways to use it. If you like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to be notified of more videos as they're released, please remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified.